Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. When you experience hurt or pain, read Ephesians 4, verse 31 to 32. Get rid of all bitterness, rage, and anger, brawling and slander, along with every form of malice. Be kind and compassionate to one another. Forgive each other, just as Christ God forgave you. Is it time to recharge your life? To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.